Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. When you see the background, you already know where we are. And I'm here yet again with another video to let you know a lot more about trading, about global markets. Many are the times that someone will tell you, oh, I lost my money from Forex, oh, I went to Kinahu, or I did this and I wasn't able to actually grasp what they were teaching. So today I want us to have like a one-on-one session so that you're able to understand like the requirements for you to start trading. And in this particular video, I want us to focus on Windsor brokers because those are going to be our trainers as we move forward. They're going to give us the tool and the requirements, the tools for training and the things that we require to train. Okay, so there are so many things that you require. Besides that, of course, you will need money. Remember, in the previous video, you were told that for you to start trading, you need $20, right? And then there's also an opportunity for you to grow from a novice trader to become a professional trader. You remember the tiers of trading. I hope you listened carefully because these are the if you have not watched the previous video, this one won't make sense. So go watch that one so that you get a general idea of what global markets are so that you're able to understand better. So for this particular video, I want us to interact with the app that Windsor has and their website so that you're able to, we're going to open an account. We are going to basically it's going to be like a very intensive session, so you better stick through so that it makes sense to you and so that you can actually now use the link to join the trading community, and you will start your trading career like we said last week. Like we said in the previous video that this is a market, this is an economy that is very sustainable. It's been in existence for as long as you can remember, and it's not one that would collapse. You will require to exchange your currency on a daily, especially if you're a traveler, and that's basically what you'll be doing in your house using your computer. Okay, so WACHIRA will answer some of the questions that are unclear, and then from there on we can interact with the app. So stick through so that you're able to understand everything and interact with me in the comments as well. If there's anything that you did not get right, please ask in the comments. You can come to my DMs on Instagram. I go by Dan Jerry. Jerry with a Y. I'll put the handles on the screen so that you're able to DM me and communicate to me. But in the meantime, let's interact with the app and the website so that we're able to know, like, to actually now get the real gist of the matter. Okay, yeah. Guys, I promised to bring WACHIRA on board and he's here with us. So he's going to answer a few questions and then from there on, we can interact with the app and the website. Okay, great. So WACHIRA,
yeah.
I would like to know, for me to open an account at Windsor,
yeah.
what do I require?
Okay. First and foremost, thank you, Diana, for inviting me to your platform. I'm very happy that she's using this platform to be able to guide, teach, assist traders, give the right information. And basically, as Windsor, we're very proud of her. And I hope you guys are willing and able to support her. So it's a very good quick Q&A session, and I'm excited to hold this second video to be able to make sure that you have a better understanding of the market. Yeah. So quickly to answer your question, Diana, so opening an account with Windsor Brokers is a 3-minute process. You just go to windsorbrokers.com, you go to our website. We've tried to make it easy, quick, and convenient. So just type windsorbrokers.com, the website will come. We made sure that whatever you type Windsor Brokers, you get the Kenyan link, right? Yeah. Because we're a global company, we have been over quite a number of countries, right? So after that, you just type in your email address and your telephone number, right? At that point in time, we have your information and you're a client. You can then go ahead and upload your ID and your PIN. As we'll take you through the app, you'll be able to see where to upload this because we want you to understand the process. It's a one-off. Once you have an account with us, you probably will never need to open an account with us again, or should I say your details, because you can open multiple accounts using the same details, or should I say documentation. Yeah. It's just an ID and a PIN.
The KRA.
And KRA PIN that should probably not be more than 6 months old. If you don't have one, you can just go to the KRA website, and the moment you request for your PIN, it will come out with today's date, right? So it's perfectly okay. So it's a very easy, quick, and convenient process, Diana. Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Right.
Now that I have an account, I have my KRA PIN and my ID ready.
Correct.
How much will I need to open an account?
Good question.
Actually, to invest
Right.
in the...
So to fund a Windsor Brokers account, the minimum you require is $20. Right? It's a small amount of money, and you don't need to go look for dollars. You can just translate. Once you put that money in your M-Pesa and you're not trying to fund your account, because the moment you register with us, we give you an account number, right? We even send you an email telling you, welcome to Windsor Brokers, this is your account, and you're then able to go online and log into your portal. Then you now say fund your account, then the various options pop up. There's M-Pesa, there's bank, there's card. There's pretty much all the ways to fund your account, all right? So the minimum we do is $20. And so what happens, you will transfer the money from your M-Pesa to the trading account in Windsor Brokers, and we'll translate it for you. So when you say $20, we'll tell you how much money that is in shillings. Then you click send. Then, of course, you key in your PIN, and the money is transferred, and you get a confirmation code on your end, confirming that the transaction has been done. And when you go now log into your trading account, even on your portal, you'll see the funds you have sent reflect, which is a very important thing. This is instant, right? Depositing your money is instant, and it's very quick and affordable. And we don't charge you any money for that, by the way, right? If you send $20, $20 will arrive. We don't subtract some money from that as transaction charges.
There's no transaction.
No, there's not. No. We're not allowed by law to withdraw money. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, great. So the other question is, how long, you told us in the previous video that you have trainings.
Yeah.
We'd like to know when and where the trainings are conducted, and how long, like, a novice trader would require to attend.
Good question, Diana. So trainings are all online for the simple reason there are some people who are not able to come to the office, or we are not able to accommodate the hundreds of clients who may wish to learn. So we make it convenient, right? So once you register, one of our BDMs, business development managers and account reps, will call you and guide you. They will also add you to our training group, our WhatsApp training group, so that you're able to see the link that we normally use to train every single day. So the trainings are online. It's important I say that they are free, right? A lot of traders out there charge people money for training. We don't charge because you're a broker. We're the one with the right information.
It's free.
It's free, completely free. So we send you the curriculum. We have a Windsor Brokers training curriculum. We send it to you. You're then able to start reading those materials. And from there, you're then able to join the daily classes. And the daily classes are from 10 to 12. But after that, and that's really the edge we have in Windsor, we're able to have one-on-one sessions. In fact, they have become a bit more even than the trainings, because there's always at any point in time a trader who is stuck. There's something he didn't understand, some strategy is trying to apply, is not succeeding, right? And so we go out of our way to assist our traders one-on-one. Remember, we also send daily research to assist our traders, right? We are not just guiding and assisting you and teaching you and training you, but we send you research reports every single morning to your email addresses. And if you're in the WhatsApp group, I still post some of that information there. So a trader is very well equipped, whether you're a novice or a trader or an ongoing trader. So to answer your question about time, there's no particular time to turn someone into a profitable trader. It's a simple truth. Because something I've said before is that, Diana, positive trading and profitable trading has very little to do with trading. It's habits, it's the beliefs, it's the systems, it's the practices, it's the ideas, it's the notions you have. And as quickly as possible, you can, the moment you're able to instill discipline and patience in your trading, that is as long as it will take for you to be a profitable trader. Right. I don't know if I think I've answered it in detail.
Okay, that's interesting to note, that you can always join the trainings. It doesn't matter. You have no limit. If you didn't understand something, you can always join.
Oh, and we record them. Sorry, we record those classes. So we post them on our Telegram page. Sometimes WhatsApp is not; it's too big a video to be accepted on WhatsApp. So we put them on our Telegram page. Therefore, a new trader right now can go back and watch 3-4 months worth of videos. On top of that, we have the webinars and the educational portal. On the portal, when you log in, we have videos of normal trainings, right? But this one is about certain subject matters, certain concepts. Right? I like the Kenyan one because it's an actual recording of an actual training, and all my trainings are interactive. So there are some questions which are asked. So they're able to ask, and I suspect a Kenyan trader will much more easily understand what another Kenyan trader was asking about, because they can relate. And so they're all recorded, right? So our client is able to go back in time and watch them. And on top of that, they're still able to go to our portal and download or watch the videos we have under the webinar and under the education part. Again, this is all free. As long as you have an account with us and you have access to a portal, your portal, which is free, you're able to access proper educational materials to guide you on your learning.
Yeah, right. Then that's so interesting, because then you will not be trading out of the blue. You will have like necessary information to be able to check.
Correct.
So the other question would be, how, like, if I open an account, will I be able to learn while I trade? Can I do them?
Good question. Actually, good point. You learn by trading. And I know that sounds, normally you're supposed to learn then trade, but actually the truth of the matter, and this is purely now Windsor's expertise, right? You don't know what you can do. It's very possible. So the structure is open an account, register with us, download the platform, MT4, it's free. Again, it's on our website. Join the WhatsApp group. We have your details. Fund your account. At this point in time, you've already uploaded all the documents. You have access to your account. You fund your account, right? You can start on demo to be able to learn how to navigate the platform, how to use the platform, how to put a trade, how to cut a trade, how to set to take profit. Just understand it, you're on demo. But once you're there, you are fully conversant with the platform and how it works. To stay on demo past that is retrogressive, which is bad for you. And I know most people don't say it. Because what will happen, you'll now start thinking you're making money using a demo account. The day you go to live, you will lose money. Not because it's a bad thing, but because you never really put yourself under real market conditions. Trust me, you're a whole other person. Yes, you're a whole different person when you're trading real money. So the real learning comes there because that is a real version of you. Your fear, your greed, your anticipation, your expectation, right? Whatever misguided notions you've ever been told, they'll come into play. So I found it easier to guide someone who is trading real money, because then you're able to correct real mistakes. Right? And I think that's what I call training. The other thing is just information. That's just information you'd have read anywhere, anyway. Yeah, you're not a better trader because you're on demo. No. You're a better trader because you can quantitatively say, I started with $20, I've pushed it to $22. And these are the trades I executed, this is how I made the money. Because you can repeat the process. The trick is to come up with a repetitive, cyclical, predictable process on how you execute, how you choose a trade, how you enter a trade, how you manage a trade, and how you exit a trade. And you really can't do that unless you have vested and you have put in some small amount of money.
So it's not pick it, point it. You need to join the trainings. You need to get the right information. You need to be well versed with what you're doing so that you don't invest in something and then come see it's a scam. Okay. So the other thing you mentioned was an account manager. You said an account manager would call me once I open an account at Windsor. So what's the role of the account manager?
Fantastic. So in Windsor Brokers, we have account managers, or as we like to call them, business development managers. So they will call you and guide you. The moment you register with a telephone number and an email address, you become a client. We're able to get your details. Some people normally upload all the details immediately, others upload one and forget. So these are account managers who follow you up to A, help you finalize with the uploading of the documentation and registration process. Then B, they follow up once you deposit. Right, you might have deposited less money, there's some issues, or should you deposit correctly? At the point of withdrawal, there's somewhere where you're stuck for whatever reason. You put in a wrong telephone number, you misplace, there's always something. So these account managers generally just facilitate the execution process of your account from the broker side. Exactly, the onboarding process as well. We have automated most of it. The moment you upload your ID and your PIN, your account goes into validation and confirmation, right? That is the right person, is a real person, and the documents of the person are the same as the person who is uploading the documents. Sometimes it's two different people, right? So that's what, basically we offer proper support, customer support regarding the operationalization of the trading account, right? Then of course I handle the training aspect of it. So together we're all helping you. One is focusing on the account, the other one is focusing on helping you in the trading of the account. So we work in tandem as a company.
This is an opportunity for you to grow. This is an opportunity for you to become a good trader, because I'm thinking about it and I'm thinking that is so much support for someone who's just started trading. Like I told you, I'm learning about trading and very soon I'm going to start trading as well. So you need to to get onto Windsor Brokers so that you're able to get all the support you require, so that if you made a mistake, it's corrected, and then you can actually make money and not go around saying it's a scam. So, Wachira, you mentioned about habits.
Yeah.
You said it's the habits, it's the mannerism
Yes.
of which you have to become a good trader.
Correct.
Or a professional trader.
Correct.
So my question would be, what are your best 3 habits as we wind up? What are your best 3 habits that someone should cultivate to become a better trader?
That's
or
fantastic.
a professional trader?
Yes, I reiterate again, and this is very important, Diana. I really am glad you're doing these educational videos because there's so much misinformation and half-baked truths out there about forex trading.
Yeah.
Right. So the irony is that the first expectation is that the biggest variable in effects, is time. Right. So the first thing is you need to be able to have a longer outlook on your account. Longer outlook means you should at least be assessing your performance on a monthly basis, not one day. You have one good day, then you think, oh, you're well, right? You need to look back for full months. Just having a longer outlook in terms of time is a big deal. Learn to assess your account on a quarter basis, right? I don't know why FX has this month on month, week on week, day on day kind of returns, right? So number 1 is outlook. Number 2 is to have low expectations regarding the returns. This business of doubling your account and tripling your account and trying to make ridiculous sums of money is dangerous and wrong. And I don't know why it's been perpetuated as a norm. It's not. Be cautious, be keen, right? Protect your income, and once you have a good enough track record of performing well, you'll generally find that you start attracting more capital, right? But because someone is trading their account to make money from their money, they generally end up maybe pushing it very hard. Which generally goes badly, right? Which also ties in with the expectation. People are trying to make 100% return in a month. As much as it's possible, try to make maybe single-digit returns, right? And be comfortable with that. Then find ways to increase your capital size in your own means, but don't try to push that small account to try and make a very high return. The third one is the patience to come up with a trading plan. A trading plan is a complete summary of what you trade, when you trade, what constitutes an entry, or how you manage your open trades. All these are things you need to have written down in your trading journal, and you're explicit regarding every aspect of it. Part of that comes in training, but you can find someone who is trained, but because they are expecting too much, they're trading too many times, they're trading too many assets, they're trading too much, they're trading at the wrong time when there's volatility and news, they end up having a challenge. So I've always said this, Diana, and I mean it. A new trader always stands a better chance of success than an older trader in Forex because they're learning new habits and they don't have old habits to clean up and move away from, right? So when I tell someone trade patiently, trade 1 or 2 things, specialize, focus on excellence and have a low expectation and let that expectation be low and roll over from month to month, you'll be fine. So those are small habits off the top of my head that I can quote.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, that's very interesting to know. Then you've had it for yourself, guys. You have all the support you require. You need as little as $20 for you to be able to trade. You have all the support you need. Mark my words, support, especially if you're a novice trader. That's the most important thing that you require when you start to trade, because many other times you jump into the deep end and you're swimming by yourself and you're not even a swimmer. What will happen? You're going to drown. So Wachira, I think now we can interact with the app and the website so that now they can get the hang of it. And then from there on now, we will be traders. We will start trading and join the trainings, right? Yeah. See you in a bit.
Thank you.
So they go to Play Store.
Go to Play Store.
And then they download the
Windsor Brokers app. Windsor Brokers app. It's the one that has the one in blue, white on blue. Then you say open. Right. You now enter the account. Then you say create demo account. Right. It will give you a demo account of the standard demo account is 50,000 shillings, dollars. But it'll also give you an account number. Right, and so your work is to basically say trade, right? And what says trade, you'll ask you, do you want to download the MT4 platform? Now remember, there's the app and there's a trading platform, right? So the trading platform will basically give you access to the charts, then the app gives you access to the account and everything to do with the account. So we have 2 parts, live account and demo account. So when you click on demo account, then you say, so you say demo account and you say trade now, exactly. So it will ask you MT4 app or the web trader. So you're supposed to say MT4 app, click on MT4 app. It then takes you to Play Store, and then you say open, which then installs that particular app. In this instance, we have taken the time to download it, so we already have the app already set up and running, right? Then you're supposed to click the sign that shows add all the forex, all the asset classes for you to trade. Then you basically just if you're using the phone and you touch any of the currencies, it will ask you, do you want to buy or to sell, right? In this instance, we took a buyer. Exactly. That's the offering list, right? That is the entire offering list of everything that is available for you to trade, right? If you click this second part, those are the charts. Those are the corresponding charts of what's happening, right? If you click that last one, this one shows the status of the trade, right? As you can see, we're running in a profit, right? So when it's in blue, that's a profit, and that's the amount of profit. If it's in red, that is a loss you're running with. So you're able to see the balance of the account, the equity of the account, the margin levels. That is how much more capacity you have left, right? Margin is how much margin you have used to execute this particular trade. Then you're able to see the size of the trade. What you're trading right now is Euro USD, and whether it's a buy or a sell, right? And you can even go back and decide you want to execute another trade. So how do you execute a trade? Is you just press down on the Euro USD, right? Then you say new order, and it comes, so you have the buy or sell option. So you must size a trade correctly, right? You can put 0.01, like in this instance you can say 0.1, right? 0.10, right? Like that. That changes it. Then you can say if you want to buy or sell, you can say buy again, and that's how a trade is executed, and you say done. So you'll see when you go to your balance, to the open positions, that's it. So the first trade we bought 0.01. 0.01 is the size of the trade. Then we now bought another one for 0.1. So of course the new trade is in loss, but the old trade is in profit. The assumption, and that's why we have training, is that you need to be, you see, like now it's come from red to blue. So 0.00 is break even, right? Then it goes into loss again. So the assumption is that both of these trades should go into profit. And once they go into profit, you can decide what to do with that trade. You can either hold the trade, make more money, or control it. And that's where the training comes in. The assumption is that you have the right intelligence, understanding, and knowledge to understand where the market is going. And your work is basically just to click buy or sell and run with that position for as long as it's making you money, right? So that's pretty much how trading happens, right? Like this other trade right now is running in profit of $0.12. You can right click it and then say close order. Close with a profit of this. Then you say yes, the order is closed, done. So you see you only have one more trade running, right? If you go to your history, that's a trade you closed. So this one is history. So you have only one trade, 0.1, and you've made 10 cents over $1. If you multiply that by 100, by 130, it's about, I don't know, that's about 13 shillings. No, 130 shillings actually, right? Which is a good amount. So you're open. So these are the least number of things you can trade. This market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can take a position on any one of these things. These are the charts, corresponding charts for what is happening. These are your open positions. The next one, these are your closed positions. Quite simple, right? And that's pretty much what FX trading entails. Just making the right decisions, executing a trade, and from the convenience of your phone, you're pretty much able to run an entire investment. You can enter a position now, close it after 10 minutes, close it after 30 minutes, or close it after 1 minute, and you end your day. You can set yourself a target of how much you'll make in a day from FX, and you can make it. You just need the right support, the right guidance, and the right training, right? That's pretty much it.
All right, guys, you have had it for yourself. It's as simple as ABC. Even the demo was so simple. Now, for you to understand exactly what that is, the red sticks, the blue ones, the what, I need you to sign up with the link provided at the description box so that you're able to actually get an account and actually start trading. Like WACHIRA said, you trade as you learn. So you join the sessions and then you trade. You get. So please take advantage of this opportunity because you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. So you need to hop onto this opportunity ASAP. I'll see you in the next video. keep it here. Thank you so much. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave them at the comments or DM me on Instagram. The handle is Njeri with a Y. I'll leave it on the screen so that you're able to actually get the right account. Yeah, and I'm also on TikTok. You can follow me at Dan Group. And I am so glad that you pulled through up to until you got to this part of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.